Assalamu alaikum, guys. Please, read.
This is 15 million naira.
Read the comments. Read the comments. I woke up and I said, let me check my Facebook page, and I saw this. I saw that someone tagged me to this post. Someone tagged me. So I said, let me go through the comments, and this is what I saw. So I quickly took a screenshot of them all. Not all though, but the ones I could lay my hands on. You see, when we talk, they say we are making noise. Must use everything you see. Nya, 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 nya. But the truth is that if we keep ignoring these guys, if we keep pretending like we aren't seeing what they're doing, it might escalate, This may get out of hand. I don't know. I'm just guessing. I don't know. I don't know. But why? Nsoka kuma. Nsoka sari de karomona. No. It's such a beautiful town. Such a peaceful town. So peaceful. So welcoming. Nsoka is my hometown. I wouldn't want any kind of chaos to erupt in the town of Nsoka Sado. I wouldn't want any form of crisis or whatsoever, because I love that town so much. It's so peaceful. But it's quite unfortunate that some people are working towards bringing that chaos into the land of Nsoka Sado. A community that a town that has that's been so welcoming to strangers. It's a blessed land, very, very blessed. The soil, let me not go there. But I love my town, absolutely. I love Nsoka. It's so peaceful. Okay, coming to these guys. You said you will massacre indigenous Muslims of Nsoka town. You are not afraid. You don't hide your profile. You are not hiding your identity. You're not scared of anything. You will do this to us, you will do that to us. So I have one single question for you. And before you answer it, you better be logical. Think before you answer. Now my question is, what do you stand to gain when you're done massacring your own people because of religion? People that has never imposed any truth to you. They have done absolutely nothing to you. They have done nothing wrong. They are just worshippers of a different religion. Religion different from yours. That's all. That's just their offense. Islam is a religion. Christianity is a religion. Traditional religion is a religion on its own. So why do you think your religion is accepted but mine is not accepted? How do you think that makes sense? Oh, Igbo land is a Christian state. We will not allow Islam in Igbo land. Islamic religion has no place to stay in East. Even the Christianity you said is the only religion allowed in East. It's not even your religion. Because Christian, your Bible doesn't teach you this. Yeah. You said you are Christ-alike. Christ did not teach you this now. He didn't. So you're not even a Christian. That's by the way. But what will you stand to gain in imposing this kind of threats to your people because of religion? This is how it starts. I mean, this is how it starts. Before you know it, you hear they burnt a masjid there, they burnt a masjid there, they did this to this Muslim, they did. This is how it starts. They are indirectly telling us that they have a plan for us. But not cause by alarm. We have nothing to be scared of. Islam has existed in East. Nsukka, let me talk about my hometown, the one I know very much of. Islam has existed in Nsukka for over 100 years. You think I'm lying? Go to Enugwesike. You will find out there are families in Enugwesike that their forefathers were Muslims. I don't mean grandfather. I mean forefathers were Muslims. Enugwesike has a lot of Muslims. I think if you come to Enugu State and you talk about the indigenous Muslims, people whose forefathers are Igbos or were Igbos and Muslims, you get them in Enugwesike. They don't have in them Biambia. They weren't made up of different tribes. So if you think Islam started today in Nsukka, I'm sorry to disappoint you. That religion has existed for so long. For so many decades. Your grandfather, your great-grandfather, your forefathers did nothing against it. They had nothing against Muslims in East. So what made you think that you of yesterday will stop Islam from growing in East? What made you think so? Nsukka Muslims, we are many. You know, when you talk about Muslims in the Igbo land, you talk about Afikpo and Nsukka. Now we get the popularity. Sorry, the population. There's nothing you can do. Stop being sentimental. It will not help you. Threatening your people because of religion, people that has done nothing wrong to you because of religion, shows how myopic you are. Like, you can't do anything to stop us. My grandfather was a Muslim. I have uncles. I have aunts who are Muslims. My father, my parents, my family, we are Muslims. And you can't do anything about it. Like, you can't even change it. You can't. You cannot stop Islam in East. Accept it. Accept it for peace to reign.